All right, so right here I have this amazing R pillow, and this is plush with a cotton filling. This is gonna have a Sherpa fleece on the outside. I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the bed. You can put this on a floor in a kid's playroom. You can make this as an excellent gift for Christmas, birthday, just to represent somebody's name. Have this on your child's bed. You could put this on your couch. There's so many different purposes. You could even spell out your name. Up close on this pillow, you could just see that it is made with high quality. The stitching is like seamless. You can't even see it. This is definitely a really soft material and just feels so squishy. This would honestly be great for a kid's playroom just to have on the floor. You could have a pillow to represent each of your child's names, which would be so cool. This is going to be a lamb's wool fabric and it's skin friendly. And it's actually a lot taller than I thought it was going to be. Looks absolutely amazing on the bed. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a nice gift, a nice accent pillow, plush pillow. Put this in your kid's room, on your bed, make a perfect Christmas birthday gift. Add it to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.